Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a little bit of something different. We're going to be working on my brand new, to me, 2006 LQ960 engine. The plan for this is to tear it all apart and turn it into an absolute horsepower beast. How we're going to do that, I have no idea. I have never torn apart an engine, and this is going to be very interesting, but let's just get started.
I don't know what I'm doing!
Alright, so basically now that I've seen this, which is not supposed to be in an engine if you didn't know, now I have to clean it all out, and we're going to see what damages are on the inside, and I'm not very confident that it's going to be nothing. Because normally, there's not leaves and dirt in the engine. So I'll let you know how that goes. Now that we got the intake off, it's time to take the water pump off. Wrong size. Ooh, that came off a lot easier than I thought. Oh, shit, coolant. Fuck. That's just water. Oh well, time to pull it off. Oh. That's not a good sign. There's rust water coming out. Fuck. Fuck. There's rust in the engine. There might be rust in the engine. We're gonna find out pretty soon. There is 100% rust in it, and I don't know whether you can save that or not. I'm gonna Google it real quick. There's like chunks all in there. You can see it all around here. It's not good. It's just not good. So I did a bit of research, and it looks like that if I tear the engine completely apart, and she's staring at me, if I tear the engine completely apart, that I can either use vinegar or some sort of degreaser and try to clean it out. The cylinders are pretty much completely fine. A little bit. I'm lying. There's a lot. But anyways, the main problem is... Fuck. What the fuck is that? This engine is so fucked. Okay, now that we have the engine disassembled, took the oil pan off and flipped the engine over, I've assessed the situation, and the situation is that there's a lot of rust. There is a lot of rust. So basically what I'm gonna do is cry in the corner and then figure it out from there. But right now we actually gotta clean up the garage because apparently it's really messy, according to my mother. You don't have to keep recording, Mom. All right, we got the floor all cleaned up. We got parts laying on the ground over there, parts all on the shelves. Desk is full. We got parts in solo cups, but right now we have the oil pan off. Come on, camera. We have the oil pan off, and now we're going to pull the main wheel off somehow. I don't have a wheel pulley, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. You know, perfect, mint. And then gonna take the cam out, pistons, everything, and then get it just down to the block. Then after that, we can pressure wash it and make it look all pretty. Yeah! This engine's making me go insane. All right, anyways, we gotta take this entire engine apart. My cameraman should be here soon.
Good morning.
I'm very tired. We're on day 2 of working on this shit box. I'll give you a little rundown.
Okay, we're headed out over back. I like
way to get new tools to take apart the engine. I got Andrew driving me to the store because I don't want to waste gas.
Who's driving? I'm not driving.
Andrew!
Quack, 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 quack. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Sir, you didn't stop.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a bad thing.
Sign is a recommendation. The stop sign you do not have to stop at unless you want to.
We made it! Andrew, stop! Andrew! Whoa, look at that car! Good job.
Oh my god. Craziness is all these colors. Holy. Look at those kicks.
I need a lubricant. Oops.
Oh, it doesn't work. Hey Mav, look, those ones aren't broken.
Here's everything we got. We got a lot of stuff that we didn't need, but we did get the one part that we did need. We spent like $200 over than we needed to, but look at all the stuff that we got. All right, now we're on our way to go garage sailing because we got all of our tools now.
And we're gonna go buy more tools at garage sale.
Yeah. America! Andrew, you were supposed to turn left. What the?
I go different.
We're at a garage sale now. We're getting new stuff. Stop touching me. Crawl in it, Andrew.
It looks like one of those boxes at like the fire stations that you put the baby in.
Yeah, and then you can make it explode.
Okay.
All right, we made it back from Harbor Freight and garage sailing. This is everything we got from Harbor Freight. And then from garage sailing, I got a subwoofer and 2 sound bars, and now I'm gonna mount those to the TV. Speaker mounted. TV's right there. I got the subwoofer down here. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Coming together very nice. I put up my American flag. Yes. All right, so now we're just waiting for Keegan to show up with the big old Milwaukee impact, because this is not gonna do it. Because this stupid crank bolt is torqued to 200 foot-pounds, and it comes with red Loctite on it. Why? I don't know. It's a bit unnecessary if you ask me, but we're gonna wait for him to get here.
Oh, I see. It's like. Fuck, dude.
We're at our baseball game now, and then we're gonna fix the engine. This is prime baseball conditions. Cloudy sky. Hey, Brandon! Say hi to the YouTube. No, that's not hi, Brandon. I didn't know if we were home or away.
I didn't know which one was what.
We lost, and I'm gonna let it go, Cheryl. Brandon, what's your post-game speech?
Maverick's a bitch.
No, that's. Alright, we're back with the Kroll oil too. We're gonna spray that on to the crank bolt, and then hopefully that should loosen it up enough to get it off tomorrow morning when we let it sit overnight. No, don't. Oh, shit. Well, it's on there. It's also all over the ground, but it's on there. We'll let this sit overnight and then come back in the morning and see what happens.
Rip the shit out of it.
Learning time with Keegan, yeah! Keegan, how does the engine work? How does engine work? Explain.
So this?
Yeah.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, okay, what happened next?
Then the crank. The crank moved because the piston do the crank.
What did turbo do? What did turbo run do? You heard that? They go. Never go. Oh,
And we go, yeah!
This was the 7th time this week this cop showed up to my house because somebody in the neighborhood needs to sleep in past 10 o'clock.
Oh, we're going golfing! I did an oopsie.
My driver's fucked.
Show him what happened to Club. Sorry, Andrew.
No, this is how we drive. This is how we drive.
Andrew, what are you gonna shoot today?
106 and lose 5 balls.
Okay. Keegan, what are you shooting today?
Probably 60, like last time.
Okay. Kyle, what are you shooting today?
36.
That's,
you ain't
that's
getting
far.
far,
You're
bro.
not getting far. I'm shooting a 500. No, Andrew. That's my God.
Keep going.
Bitch. God damn, Kyle. Kyle. Holy.
It went through. I don't know where.
It's probably on the other course, but.
Alright, I forgot to film our final scores, but this is how it went. Andrew shot a 60, Keaton shot a 63, I shot a 68, and Kyle shot an 84.
What did you make? What is it?
Oh, fuck. I don't know if I can trust myself making with that 630.
Got the pickle cheese sandwich.
Alright, it's late. I just finished filming the entire video. If you guys liked it, consider subscribing. That way you can come along for the journey, see where these projects go. I don't really know where they're going either, so you know, might as well stick around. Besides that, you know, we'll see when the next video comes out. Might be 3 weeks, might be 3 months. So we'll see. But enjoy, guys. Have a good day.